Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going over how to replace your headlights in your 2013 Ford Fusion. And in this Ford Fusion we have the headlight assembly removed for ease of access, because when it's installed in the car itself, it's really quite hard to get the access you need to get these headlights out. There's really no space. So gone through that process. So this was the high beam. We've got our low beam over here. To get the low beam up, just pull the cover off. Keep it on the car. Pull the cover off, and then we've got the light here with an electrical connector. So this, just twist it. You can pull it out. Squeeze the connector. Pull apart, and this is your headlight here. And this is an H11, I believe. So an H11, so you just get a new H11, be able to put in there, and do your best not to touch that element when you put your new one in. So then you'll just take the new one, snap it together, clips, and then put it in here, and the grooves line up, and twist to lock. All in place, and then just go ahead and put your cover back on. And that's how you replace your standard low beam headlight on your Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.